In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial, Export Products to CSV. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to create a clean CSV file of your products so you can back up your store or make fast, bulk edits in a spreadsheet. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to your products list. This is your master view of everything you sell. In the top right corner, click Export. That opens a pop-up with a few straightforward choices that control what goes into your file. You can export all products, just the products on the current page, or only the items you've checked. If you only want a subset, like just your dry fit shirts, first check the boxes next to those specific items, then choose Selected in the pop-up. This keeps your file focused and avoids cluttering your spreadsheet with items you don't want to touch. A quick tip: use the search bar or filters to narrow your list before checking boxes so you only include the exact products you need. Next, pick the standard CSV format. This is the universal option that opens smoothly in Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and most spreadsheet apps. It preserves your product data in columns like title, description, price, SKU, and more, making it easy to review and edit. When you're set, click Export Products to generate the file. Here's what happens next. If your store has more than 50 products in the selection you're exporting, Shopify will prepare the file in the background and send a download link to the email address associated with your account. For smaller exports, the CSV will download directly to your computer right away. If you're expecting an email, keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once the file is saved, you can open it in your spreadsheet tool to make bulk changes. Be careful not to alter the column headers or delete essential identifiers like product handles, since Shopify uses those to match your edits to the right products when you re-import. Consider keeping a clean backup copy of the original export before you start editing so you can roll back if needed. Also, keep the file in CSV format when you save, as other formats can break the structure. And that's it. You've exported your data, secured a reliable backup, and set yourself up for faster inventory management. To recap the flow you'll use again and again, go to Products, click Export, choose Everything, the current page, or only the items you checked, select the standard CSV, and export. Simple, safe, and efficient.